In today's video, we're exploring ElevenLabs, the voice generation platform that promises to bring your words to life without the need for a recording studio. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use ElevenLabs to create convincing human-sounding voiceovers. We're going to unpack what the service actually does, look at its standout features, and then walk through step by step and even weigh the pros and cons so you can decide if it's a good fit for you. Stick around because there's a lot more to this tool than meets the eye. Let's get into it. So first off, what is ElevenLabs? It is an AI voice generation platform designed to transform written text into expressive, natural sounding speech. Instead of reading your script in a robotic monotone, ElevenLabs interprets the context of your words and then adapts the delivery to fit the mood. You can choose from an extensive library of preset voices or even clone your own voice by providing a few minutes of recorded speech. The platform supports dozens of languages and can maintain the original voice's tone and rhythm when translating your script into another language. For developers, there's also an API that lets you integrate these lifelike voices into chatbots, games, or even custom applications. At its core, ElevenLabs offers creators, educators, and businesses an easy way to generate professional voiceovers at scale. Now, let's go ahead and talk about some of the main key features. So one of the biggest draws of ElevenLabs is its ability to produce human-like speech. Its text-to-speech model doesn't simply read words, it picks up on sentence structure, punctuation, and even emotional cues to deliver nuanced performances. You can hear excitement in a product announcement, gentleness in a meditation voiceover, or urgency in a news report. Another standout feature is the voice cloning and design. So if you want your own digital voice twin or need a unique brand voice, you can upload short audio samples and the platform will create a custom voice model. You can fine-tune details such as pitch, tempo, and warmth to match your actual personal style. ElevenLabs actually also offers multilingual generation. The tool currently supports more than 30 languages and can translate your text while preserving the speaker's original tone and rhythm. This makes it easier for global brands and educators to localize content without hiring multiple voice actors. Developers and tech-savvy users appreciate the platform's API and voice agents. So the API enables you to integrate ElevenLabs voices into apps, chatbots, and games, which just lets your software talk in a friendly human way. Voice agents go a step further by allowing interactive dialogues where the AI responds based on user input. ElevenLabs delivers fast processing speeds as well, so you can paste your text and generate a preview almost instantly, which just helps with editing and experimentation. The cloud-based service means you don't need to worry about hardware requirements or long rendering times. Everything happens in your browser, so whether you're on a desktop or a mobile device. Okay, now this is where we're going to roll up our sleeves and actually go ahead and step into ElevenLabs. So what you want to do is go ahead and get signed up with a free trial using our exclusive link down below if you want to follow along. Once you click that link, you can go ahead and click sign up and you'll be prompted to enter in your email and password. Then it's just going to ask you a couple questions so you can choose your style. We'll go ahead and say our name if you want to, you don't have to. Your date of birth, you can select your language. Now, how did you hear about this? You can skip this, but probably select YouTube if you're watching this video. And then they've got the two platforms right here. So there's the agents where you can build your agents, and then the creative, which is creating content. So we're gonna go ahead and go with the creative platform right now. Now, which one describes you? So we'll go ahead and put creator. Now, what would you like to do with ElevenLabs? We're gonna go ahead and do text to speech for now. As you can see, we've got the menu over here. It's very straightforward. We've got home, we've got voices, text to speech, voice changer, sound effect, voice isolator, image and video, templates. And we've also got the studio, music, dubbing, speech to text, audio native, and production. So they make this very simple so you can get started with narrating a story. So all you have to do is go ahead and type in any text that you would like, and then you can generate the speech and then you can download it. Over here, you can go ahead and determine the speed, the stability, if you want it more variable or more stable, the similarity, whether low to high, and then the exaggeration. You can even turn on this speaker boost as well. Then you've got a voice changer, so you can go ahead and upload an audio or video file, and then what you can do is go ahead and change the voice itself. So as you can see, there's a bunch of different voices in here. We've got Daniel, which is a steady broadcaster. We've got an engaging educator, so you can go ahead and select that. Then we've got sound effects over here. So this is where you can go ahead and see all of their sound effects. You can go ahead and explore. You can search sound effects. Okay, so there's a bunch in here. Then we've got the voice isolator over here. You can drop things in here like a podcast interview that you want to remove the background, or even, a YouTube tutorial where you want to remove the background. So those are a couple ways that you can use it. And then this is in beta right now, but you can explore images and videos in here that you may need to use. And then they've even got some templates in here as well. Okay, and then in the studio, you can create a new blank project right here, or you can create a new audiobook. You can create a podcast, a URL to audio, whatever it may be. They've got so much in here that you can do, and they make it really, really easy to do so. So if you wanted to create a new audiobook, you can go ahead and upload a document and then select the default voice you would like to use and then create project. Okay, then they've got all of their music in here, speech to text. Okay, so again, what's really cool about it is they make it really easy and really intuitive. If you wanted to go ahead and go to the agents platform, you would just select it over here. I'm not going to go into any depth here, but I just wanted you to be able to see that you can go ahead and switch over to this agent platform over here. Now that you understand how to use it, I just wanted to touch on some of the pros and cons so you can decide if this is a good fit for your workflow. So ElevenLabs really shines when it comes to realism. Its voices are among the most natural on the market, with subtle inflections that really make narration feel human rather than synthetic. The interface is super simple, so you don't need to be a sound engineer to create quality audio. And fast processing means you get results in seconds instead of waiting for longer rendering times. The voice cloning also helps personal brands maintain a consistent sound, and multilingual support is a huge bonus for anyone reaching international audiences. On the downside, the free plan has strict usage limits and includes watermarks, so you'll likely need to upgrade your plan, which we will go over the plans in just a second. Premium features such as voice cloning and advanced voices sit behind higher tier plans, which may add up if you generate a ton of content. Also, as another downside, because you're creating a digital version of your voice, you need to consider ethical implications. Never clone someone's voice without permission, and be mindful of how you use AI generated speech. Another limitation is that ElevenLabs requires an internet connection. There's no offline support, which might be inconvenient for people working in remote areas or with unstable connections. Okay, now let's talk about the different pricing and plans. Okay, so I'm going to go over the annual billing because that's how you can get the best price possible. So with the annual billing, you also get 2 months free. So they've got the free plan where you can test out text to speech, music, agents, and everything like that. And you get 10K credits per month. Then we've got the starter plan, which is $4.17 per month. And that is billed yearly plus the 2 months extra free. You get 30K credits per month. You get everything in the free plan plus commercial licensing, voice cloning, 20 projects in studio, and more. And then we've got the creator plan, which is their most popular plan, which is $18.33 per month billed yearly. You get 100K credits per month, and you get everything in the starter plan, but you get professional voice cloning, additional credits, and more. Then they also have a pro plan, which is $82.50 per month billed yearly. You get everything in the creator plan, but you also get an upgraded audio output via API. Then they've got their scale plan, which is $275 per month paid annually. You get the 2 months free, of course, and the 2 million credits a month plus 3 seats. So this is more for a team. And then same for the business. This is $1,100 per month billed yearly, but you get everything in the scale, but you also get 3 professional voice clones and 5 workspace seats. If you need a custom account, they do have an enterprise plan, so you can just go ahead and contact them by clicking getting started. So is ElevenLabs for you? It's a really strong fit for content creators who want to add professional narration to their videos without hiring voice actors. YouTubers, podcasters, and e-learning instructors will really appreciate how quickly they can produce high quality audio. Educators working across languages can deliver lessons in multiple languages without losing the original speaker's tone. Developers building chatbots or interactive experiences will also benefit from the API and voice agents. Marketers who repurpose blog posts into audio or need localized ads can streamline their workflow with this tool. However, if you prefer total control over every syllable and nuance, a human voice actor is still the gold standard. Musicians and filmmakers needing highly specific performances might find AI a bit too rigid, the platform also isn't ideal for those with limited internet access since all processing happens online. And finally, if your budget is extremely tight and you only need occasional voiceovers, the cost of a paid plan might outweigh the benefits compared to free alternatives with less realism. I know how overwhelming it can feel trying to figure this stuff out on your own. That's why I wanted to walk you through how ElevenLabs works step by step so you don't have to waste hours experimenting. If you want to go ahead and check out ElevenLabs yourself and get started with the free plan, make sure you use our exclusive link down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, and of course, leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you master AI tools and technologies so you can build smarter and faster without the overwhelm. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.